Hi everyone, my name is Angel. I work here at EPI. I'm in the Missoula office, and today I'm going to be unboxing some of the items that we got from some generous people to our EPI program site wish list on Amazon. Let's give it a go. So we have a car medical kit. So this was an ask for our Rocky Mountain Ecology course, which is located out of Colorado. So this is going to be super helpful for making sure that everyone is safe and stays safe in case anything ever were to happen. Let's take a peek-sees. We have got a headlamp. So this headlamp was on the wish list for the Pequari Reserve. These headlamps are always a need. These headlamps have a red light, and that is very important for when we do our sea turtle research, as that's on the beach with the sea turtles, and make sure that we're measuring them correctly, and we need to be able to see all this but not disturb the moms as much as possible. All right, we've got our next one. So these are rechargeable batteries. This is an ask for our Pequari wish list. This helps us to reduce battery waste, especially at such a remote location, and to be prepared to switch out batteries whenever possible and we don't run out. We've got not one, not two, but 3 sets of night vision goggles. So these are great for going around at night doing either research at night, whether that be with the sea turtles or with checking on cams for our felines or primates that are in the area in Pequari, or on any of our night walks that we take students on to get a better idea of the ecology that's going on at night. And that's all the gear that we've gotten so far from our Amazon wish lists. If you want to support our program sites and fuel the field in this way with choosing specific gear to give, just go ahead and go to our website and go to our main donation page. There will be information for our Amazon wish lists on that same page. Thank you so much. This is awesome. Thank you.